All right, this is part two. Thank you for watching. Professor, you have to do it in less than 15 minutes. My first video didn't take, so this is my second attempt to do it in less than 15 minutes. Because YouTube doesn't allow me to do any recordings longer than 15 minutes. Okay, so let's go. First question. Send me an email, you click on my name, opens up the directions for the email. There's the code, my body section, href. It's referring to my email address, and this is the picture right here, profile pic. It's connected to, and that's it. All right, question two. These are my favorite news websites. You click them. There you go. I got CNN. I got Google, Fox, LinkedIn. Okay, let's check the code. I got my metasets in the head. Go to the body. All right, here's my body. I display my favorite news websites, and then I have an unordered list. And these are the list elements with the references to the websites. All right, let's go to question three. These are the ordered list of HTML docs. Boom, that's the first. Click this. Go to the second. Click this. Go to the third. Click this. Go to the fourth, and this is for the fifth. I go question three. Alright, my head element, same thing. Here, I create a body, I create an ordered list. These are my list elements. I reference the HTML doc that's in the same directory, and then I have it connected to the image right here. So you click this image profile pic, sends you the links HTML. That's one list element, list item, and then I add each individual one as individual list items to all different HTMLs. And then this is where I end the ordered list and then end everything else. All right, let's go to the next one, solution 5. I got to show this camel on this side of the table with these words and Shakespeare's quote with emphasis. So we come here, same thing. Okay, I declared the table. The table borders one. I have the table head. Then I have the table row, the table head column. I put in strong the letters objective. This is the first table on the left. Is the name objectives. I made an unordered list. Within these unordered lists are the reasons, like the things I'm able to do, the bullet points. And then there's the quote. I put the M attribute for emphasis, and then I put a strong and a break to have William Shakespeare's name. And then on the other side of the table head, I have my camel picture, the source element, and that is it. Then I close everything off. All right, on to the next. Solution 16, solution 5 over here. All right, the table example. They wanted me to print this table out. All right, let's go to the source code. Got here, I have my table. Alright, I declare it in the body, the table head example, table border, I caption the table. This is the top of the table, I add to the table head, then I add the table footer and these words, and I add the table body, and then these words. Done. This is my college feedback form. For the next question, you enter in the name, email address, what you like about the campus, the radio buttons, how you hear about it, put any comments, and then you could clear it if you want to restart. Come back here. All right. Have my head elements, my body elements. This is my post method to dietl.com. Everything else is hidden where it's going, the recipient, subject, and redirect. I add the paragraph. My label is name, and this is the input for name. This is the input for email, same way as name. I add another label, and I ask what they like about the campus. I make a drop down with the select. I put the select name as ratings, and I put this drop down of options. And then I come down here. How'd you get interested about the college? There's a radio button. Click the radio buttons that I have set here, and the additional comments. And these are the submit and resets. All right, number 6. Let's go. There's a college registration form. Put in your name, last name, telephone number, email address. I also have an optional survey. Click the details here. Got this option. All right, let's go. Same thing as the last one. We have our body. We have our post methods are here. And then we go into the first name section, the last name, the telephone number, the email address section. And then this is the details element that hides it. And this is where I hide my optional survey under details. And I made it a drop down menu. So it's options again. And then I have my submit and reset. autocomplete number. I typed in 345. I came back after I submitted. Now 345 shows up. I entered 366. I come back, submit it, and 366 shows up. So this is just demonstrating the autocomplete feature. Short one here. Go to the head, go to the body. All right, so in the body, I have the autocomplete number. I have a form, and I put the autocomplete attribute to on. This is the number. I'm just asking for the number. The input type's a number, and then the autocomplete's on for that too. And then this is the form type submit. That's it. Simple as that. All right, let's go here. This is with the data set. They enter in the month. It gives you a data set of pre-generated months. Okay. Come here, same thing, right? I have my header, and then I have my form element with the autocomplete attribute on, and then I have my months. This one I put my list attribute, and I secret equal to months, and then I could declare data list with the IDs equal to same name, and now these are the options. So as long as I have list equals to months and this is the same name, these options will show up in this data list and that list. All right, let's get to the next one. This is the HTML doc I had to make. The textbook provided me with the text. I just need to mark it up and make it into an HTML doc. This is my marquee, and I attach add the corresponding images to what they're talking about in the topic. Okay, so we come here. Where's my? There it is. So pretty simple on this one. This is the marquee element. This is what's having my HTML page structure. Text goes from side to side on the document. I go into the body section. This is my body section. This is just copy and paste from the text document that they provided, which is here. So I just make the header, put this header in, made a a paragraph element, and then put this in the paragraph. And then I put the images that it's talking about. So here's talk about color and type color. So I just put the colors section into that. And then here it talks about the autofocus attribute. So copy and paste, make its own header and paragraph. And then I have the autofocus image that's associated with that. And then validation, same thing, copy and paste. And then the validation image that is with that. All right, let's check the next part out. We just had to add same page, just same exact thing, just add in the details. And in the details, you have this table, which is provided right here. All right, so we make this table. It's pretty simple. It's the same exact code. All right, same exact code as question 10. Everything's the same. All the paragraphs and the corresponding images. Here we have our details element, which hides our table that has the summary. And these are all the table elements that we have added in the individual rows. Okay, I tried to keep this short and sweet. We're at 7 minutes. 15 minutes. YouTube does not allow me to upload the video. I already made one video and I learned the hard way. So this one's a very, very fast, detailed one, so I'm able to upload it. Okay, thank you for watching, Professor. Have a good one.